Hey guys, it's Pugface777 here, and today I will be bringing you this really cool, I don't know, world thing. It's like a secret room. It's called a basement of secrets. Oh, no spoiler. Okay, so, um, and also I got 3 days of, bubble chat, which sucks. Oh my gosh. I can't, this is why I'm not responding back. I didn't make a video on it because I don't know. I didn't want to make like a part 3. That'd just be like really bad. So sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry if I'm not like responding to. I can't read any of my jamagrams. It's just bad. So about this basement of secrets, there is a shop here. Let me show you how to go there. So first, you want to go up here. Just go right here. Right here. Then you wanna click cure, like spam it until you like actually get there. So, sorry, this is taking a long time. It takes a couple of tries. It's kind of challenging. I mean, I've done it before, and it did work. Did work. Please work. Please, come on. It will work. I promise you. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Let me try again. Sorry. Like, I feel like if I cut, then people are gonna think that, like, I went somewhere else. But this is, like, for real. Okay. Stand here. Right here. Then, BAM! I swear this does work. Just fast forward the video, please. This is just really hard to do. You want to do it like really close. My finger's about to break off. Just like fast forward the video, please. Like, I want to cut, but people are gonna think like this is not real. Well, you get the point. It does work. That's where like I started off. So I don't know. Sorry guys. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. Let me try one more time. Okay? Just don't get mad. Okay? Oh, what did I do? What? I'm so mad right now. And let me try to switch animals. Wolf. Let's be a wolf. Let's try that. Okay. I swear to you guys, this does work. It's just complicated. Oh, stupid. This does work. Oh my gosh. This does work. Okay? Okay? Don't get mad. Okay. Let's try this again for the millionth time. Please work. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. This is not cooperating. Okay, last time. For the last time. It's the last time. Come on. Spam like your life depends on it. Yes! this does work. This is proof. It does work. There's like a shop, question mark. These are like, it's new, so I think this is a new glitch. So sorry this took a long time. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. His nice shades. Hello. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Stay epic, stay awesome. Bye!